Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Pagani Zonda R. So after a long wait, I got the Pagani in my hands, and this is from Hotwheels and this is from their Turbo series. So I want to point out one thing in this video. So a lot of scalpers out there in India, they are selling this for more than like 1000 rupees, or at least around 600 to 700 rupees. The actual MRP is around 149 rupees, as you can see here. But where I bought, actually they gave me a discount, so I bought it for 141 rupees. So if anyone is selling more than the MRP, my personal suggestion would be don't buy it and don't motivate these people. So that we can actually get it for the MRP. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. Okay, I love this glittering blue. I always love this glittery blue or glittery purple, this glittering effect. This looks really nice. It doesn't have much weight to it. It just feels like plastic. It doesn't feel like actually die cast metal. But it does look really nice. The casting is really good and the detailings are actually nice. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.